Good morning, everyone. It's Mr. Pierce, and today I'm going to do a quick lesson on adding mixed numbers. Just like when we add fractions, the denominator must be the same when we add mixed numbers. In the first example, we see 1 3/10 plus 1 5/10. The first question I ask myself is, are the denominators the same? If the answer is yes, we can simply add the fractions first. So 3/10 plus 5/10 gives us 8/10. 1 plus 1 gives us 2. So our answer comes out to be 2 8/10. The next step, of course, is to see if it will simplify. Okay, 8/10 will simplify. So we bring over our 2 and we write our 2. We do not simplify the whole number. And 8/10, they're both even and they're divisible by 2. So 8 divided by 2 is 4. And 10 divided by 2 is 5. So our final answer is 2 5/10. In the second example, we will notice that the denominators are not the same. So just like we've done with fractions, we need to make them have the same number of pieces. Again, an easy way to do that is to just multiply the two bottom numbers together to find a common denominator. 4 times 3 is 12. So we can turn both of these into 12ths fractions. Now we want to make sure that when we do this, we leave room to bring over our whole number so we do not forget those. Okay, so I'm going to turn both of these into 12ths fractions. So what times 3 gives us 12? 4. So if I multiplied by 4 in my denominator, I must do the same to the numerator. 4 times 2 is 8. So 1 2/3 is the same as 1 8/12. On the top one, what times 4 gives us 12? Well, that would be 3. So if I multiply by 3 in my denominator, I must do the same to the numerator. 4 times 3 is 12, so 1 times 3 is 3. So that answer is 1 3/12, or that equivalent fraction, rather. So now we add the fractions. 3/12 plus 8/12 gives us 11/12. And 1 plus 1, of course, is 2. Next question, will it simplify? The answer is clearly no. Whenever the two numbers are neighbors, in other words, when the numerator and denominator are one number apart, okay, then it is already in lowest terms. So here we have 2 11/12 is our final answer.